Who has not heard of mixed reality? Many of us have already been lucky enough to make use of it or enjoy a related experience, surely within some entertainment activity. We may have notions of the immense possibilities that mixed reality, MR, has introduced in sectors such as industry, health, retail, or training. But do we know how to take advantage of this technology to improve our business? We're here to help you how you can use mixed reality to improve your business. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. What's the idea of mixed reality? There is more and more talk about the appearance of mixed reality, MR, as a technology that will reach and surpass current virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. However, although it is a term widely used in virtual reality forums, much is still unknown about this technology and its potential. The idea of mixed reality is to create a technology that is a mixture of VR and AR, but what is each one of them? Proper use of this technology helps to optimize many of the traditional processes already from previous phases, such as planning, empowering team members, digitally simulating the physical environment, or adding a layer of value to customer experiences. Discover the usefulness of mixed reality in work, management, and business processes, and join a technology that will soon be perfectly integrated into our lives and our companies. Virtual reality plus augmented reality equals mixed reality. As these techniques evolve, refine, and diversify, multiple more or less complex definitions also emerge. Fundamentally, mixed reality is the result of combining virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is a computer-created simulation that immerses us in a 360-degree environment that we perceive as real and allows us to explore just by looking around us and sometimes interacting with the environment. With the use of a viewer, we ensure an immersive experience that allows us to focus on the stimulation of sight and hearing, avoiding distractions that could take us out of the experience. It is said that VR is not photorealistic if we think about the concept that movies and TV series present. Nowadays, technology does not allow that quality graphics in real time. However, more advanced viewers can produce higher definition images. Think more of the quality of a next-generation video game than of a true copy of reality. VR is a technology through which an environment of scenes and simulated objects of real appearance is created, or whose objective is to generate a felt experience as real. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a set of technologies that allow the interaction of virtual or digital elements in the physical or real world. What is the difference between augmented reality? Augmented reality is another type of immersive technology that uses what we see through the camera of smart devices, such as tablets and smartphones, or special lenses for AR, and generates a mix between real-world images and digital content providing digital images and information. Here, you don't always use a viewfinder, but the constant is that you're always seeing the physical world. Mixed reality. Mixed reality is a mix of the two technologies we just reviewed, where users can jump between one and the other and interact with both the simulated environment and the projections in the real environment. The visors that use this technology have space sensors and an external camera. Also called hybrid reality, therefore, the combination of the above, the creation of environments or spaces in which both real and virtual objects and people interact. The concept of extended reality, XR, seems destined to prevail as a reference to the set of technologies formed by virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, also including other technologies with which a natural interaction occurs, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, or 5G network, just to name the most recognizable main players in the mixed reality environment. Currently, we could mention 3 companies that are betting heavily on mixed reality: Microsoft, Magic Leap, and MetaVision. Microsoft has been working for a long time both in the field of hardware and in the software necessary to be able to take advantage of the use of MR on a day-to-day basis. His HoloLens and Windows Mixed Reality Glasses project is good proof of this. Another important player in the MR is Magic Leap. The arrival of its smart glasses is expected to be a revolution for this technology. The Magic Leap 1 will feature a technological breakthrough that will provide a better sense of fusion between the physical and virtual worlds, light field technology. This advance will allow a full 3D image to be projected so that the retina focuses it in the same way as a real object, achieving greater realism. Finally, Metavision is betting on bringing mixed reality to the end user through the commercialization of a cheaper device. Mixed reality and entertainment. It is in the entertainment sector where, until now, there has been the greatest development of mixed reality. Video games, film and television, and in general, all related industries have taken advantage of this technology to create highly immersive experiences that provide content with great richness and interactivity. Companies of the relevance of Magic Leap, Lucasfilm, or Industrial Light and Magic offer numerous examples, and every year the volume of investment allocated to innovation and technological development in extended reality increases. Mixed reality and digital transformation. Mixed reality is not just an occasion for entertainment, but a tool capable of providing extraordinary innovations in the most varied fields, activities, and sectors of the economy. Mixed reality is already complementing, improving, and even replacing traditional techniques. It represents a unique opportunity to add value to business management and business development. For all these reasons, it constitutes a structural element in the digital transformation of companies. In the adoption of mixed reality platforms, specifically designed for our company, it is necessary to have a competent service that provides us with the services such as advisory, facility, setting, medium, adaptability, scalability, and maintenance. The essential moments of a mixed reality technology adaptation process that ensures the correct implementation of the above elements can be defined under the following structural concepts. Planning. Digital simulation of environments is carried out to produce a prediction of results that allows us to anticipate problems of all kinds. Virtual planning is used to optimize processes and minimize the cost of assets that will be necessary in the real world. Optimization of processes. The optimization of the flow of decisions and actions, where technology and the human team are coordinated, has an impact on increasing efficiency and competitiveness. Worker empowerment. Adaptation aimed at each of the team members to ensure the correct understanding of the information transmitted. It is about facilitating change management in organizations in the broadest sense of expression. Simulation. Influencing the concept of process simulation before building simply saves costs. Risk identification anticipates problems and makes it possible to eliminate conflicts before they happen. A virtual asset can be carried out in multiple places with different professionals at the same time, and this allows for the detection and improved collaborative solutions. Customer experience. The customer experience is significantly enriched, making use of a personalized 2D and 3D storytelling strategy that improves the level of impact of the product or service on consumers. Mixed reality brings experience improvements that adapt technology to people and streamline any interaction with the brand. It allows the introduction of applications to gather the information that increases consumer knowledge and in turn cooperates in the detection and resolution of problems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about mixed reality and how it can improve your business in the comment section below. Thank you.